Hello guys, welcome to our unboxing of the iMILAD smartwatch. This is an exciting moment for us as we get to see what's inside the box. As you can see, the packaging is simple but sleek, with the iMILAD clearly visible on the front of the box. Here is the iMILAD smartwatch. The first thing you will notice is how light and compact it is. This makes it perfect for wearing during all sorts of activities. Let's see what else is the box. Else in the box. Here we have the charging cable, which is a standard USB to magnetic charging clock, and the instruction for setting up the smartwatch. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, which is great for anyone who might be new to using a smartwatch. Now let's take a closer look at the smartwatch itself. As you can see, it has a sleek design with a circular watch face and a comfortable silicone strap. The watch face is touch sensitive and easy to navigate with a variety of functions that can be accessed with just a few taps. So that is from this video. Thanks for joining us for the unboxing, and we hope you enjoy getting a first look at the iMILAD smartwatch.